Hey everyone, it's Kevin and Louise with the Pewter Palace and thepewterpalace.com. We have gotten top rub rail done this afternoon. Took about 2.5 hours. Definitely, I would suggest a two-person job. One person kind of holds the strap in place, pushing down into the lower track, and then the other person works on fitting this in the top. We did use, and I'll show pictures, we did use a bowl scraper, what they call a bowl scraper, that you can get in any like kitchen department, you know, of Walmart or anything like that. That really helped, but we also had to use the heat gun to get that plastic, even though it was sitting in the sun. And we've also decided, you can see where this is the new navy, this is the original black in the door. And I decided to keep it that way. The black was still in really good shape there. No shrinking or anything. Plus, if you look at our awnings are navy, black, white, and royal blue and light blue stripe. So I thought, why not? It'll be a little different. Someday we may, replace this, but it's fine. The tabs were really in good shape. Kevin had to fabricate one on the lower right, but other than that, and we did have to fabricate, now this is an original tab here. We did have to fabricate new tabs, which I have pictures of as well. This was an original, this is the new tab. We had a little spare piece of aluminum, so Kevin cut those, and thinking it looks really good. Yeah, it's like I said, I would suggest a two-person job. Oh, here are these white streaks. I did a blog post on those. Yeah, and these are aftermarket. We installed these. These are the toggles for the bra that we have on the front of the Avion, and then we switched to that type of clip down below because it gives a better snap in that section. So yeah, so tomorrow I guess we're going to tackle the lower of the mid-belly. Let's call it the mid-belly rub rail, because then there's another rub rail down here. We do have that on our project list to replace too, but not as much of a priority for us as the upper one was. And we ordered this 1.5 inch patio chair strapping material from Patio Supply in Fort Lauderdale, Sunnyland. We have these links all on our resource page, so you don't even need to remember it. Just go to our resource page and you'll see where we have it there. And they come in all sorts of different colors and stuff too. I mean, you can pick whatever you want. But we did a poll back in, let's see, 2019, I guess it was. We had 3 different samples that we asked our followers to give a vote to, and one was a dark green, one was kind of a dark turquoise, and then the navy. And I showed everybody what our awning looks like. And this is not original, this was replaced just a couple of years before we got our Avion in 2020. And so the winner was navy, so that's what we did. You might see some extra streaking on her right now. It's because we also used a spritzer bottle, soapy water, to go in the track and on the strap, and then heated it up. So yeah, a lot of elbow grease, a lot of thumb pressure. Kevin had to do that part. My part was just holding it in place and guiding along as he followed along with the heat gun. So that's it for today. Top rub rail done. Oh, also, when you get to these hooks, if you have window awnings and you get to these zippy hooks, we did find Kevin had to manually, just with fingers, ease that rub rail in there. The little bowl scraper tool just couldn't fit in there. So just a heads up on that. Okay, if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. We'd love to have your comments and feedback. That also helps other Avion owners find our material easier. The more people give it a thumbs up or comment, it helps the little search engines and spiders, or I don't even know if they call them that anymore, but it helps them to find it. So that's our navy rub rail for today.